What is up, guys? It's Fixin' Family here, and today we are converting this iPhone X into an 13 Pro Max. So yeah, guys, we're going to be doing a housing conversion kit on this iPhone X. I have a 13 Pro Max housing right here, and I have an iPhone X right here. So let's go ahead and let's get started. This is going to be a massive project, and it's going to take a very long time. What this is going to consist of is swapping everything in the iPhone X into the iPhone 13. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Alrighty, guys, we are back, and we have all the little pieces and stuff. I went ahead and did it off camera. I put all the little pieces in there, all the volume, all that stuff. That was a pain in the butt, but that is all finished. So let's go ahead and let's finish this thing up. Alright, there we go guys, we're back. I had to just adjust some stuff real quick. There's a glob of glue preventing the motherboard from going down, so I went ahead and fixed that, and now we're good to go. Here we go. Let's turn her on. Oh, there we go. All right. Okay. What happened there? Okay, good news. It was just this sticker holding the power button down. Whew, that was close. Okay, let's go ahead and finish it up. I did find out that this, the mute switch did slip off, so I'm gonna have to go ahead and fix that right now. I'll cut it back on when I start working on the screen. Alright, I went ahead and figured out that issue, so that's all solved. Let's go ahead and let's get this thing all back together. So, now what we need to do, put the battery in. Alright, now that we finished with that, let's go ahead, give it a quick wipe down. Alright, there we go. So now what we can go ahead and do, we can go ahead and put that to the side, and we are now going to pull out our new screen and our old screen. And what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to transfer the parts from the old screen into the new screen. But first, we have my programmer here, and we're going to go ahead and take all the information off of this screen and put it onto the new screen so we can keep True Tone functionality. And there we go. Then go ahead and plug it, turn this off. These are very handy, definitely worth the money. Now let's go ahead and let's transfer the ear speaker onto the new screen. Alright, the seal is now on. let's go ahead and let's button everything up. I'll do a quick wipe down again. Alright, let's do one last test before I close it up. Alright, there we go. I just tested everything out. Everything seems to be pretty good. Let's go ahead and let's close this thing up. First, let's take this side off so we can close it up. Bam! Wow, does that look nice. Okay, there we go. Definitely sticks out a little more than I was expecting, but I guess it's not too bad. Alright, let's peel this off and we'll slap a screen protector on. Go ahead and put in the bottom screws. There we go. Go ahead and pull this off. Put a screen protector on. Customer asked for a privacy screen protector. And just like that, we are now finished with the iPhone X converted into an iPhone 13 Pro. Also, can't forget SIM card tray. We are now done, and wow, did this thing turn out nice. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. This video took a very long time to make, that's for sure. These housings are not easy and not cheap to come by. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. I'd really appreciate it. It boosts me up in the algorithm, and I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.